Right covers under IPR include intellectual property, trade secret, patent, copyright, trademark, and geographical indications. Intellectual property right. IPR means right of an inventor to derive economic benefit from his invention. Intellectual property means an idea, design, invention, or manuscript which can ultimately give rise to a useful product or application. It can be copied, imitated, or reproduced. This minimizes the returns of the original inventor. Trade secret. When the individual or organization owning the intellectual property does not disclose the property to anyone and keeps it as a closely guarded secret to promote his business interest. Such a secret is called trade secret. Merits of trade secret. First, unlimited duration. Second, cost of filing patent is saved. Third, risk of someone improving the product or process is minimized. Demerits of trade secret. First, maintenance is costly. Second, no protection from independent innovations. Third, does not give anybody else a chance to improve the original version. Fourth, it cannot be applied to many inventions, example equipment, plant varieties, books, etc. Patent. Patent is a monopoly right granted by government to the inventor for a fixed period of time. It is a property right that can be bought, sold, hired, or licensed. Invention must be useful, new, and adequately disclosed. Copyright. Copyright is an exclusive legal right given to the originator for a fixed number of years to print, publish, perform, film, or record literary, artistic, or music material. Trademark. Trademark is an identification symbol used in trade to distinguish product of one trader from another. Trademark law vary in every country. Trademark of one country must be protected in another country. It is very expensive to maintain a geographic indication. It is a sign used on products that have a specific geographical origin and possess qualities or reputation that are due to its origin. GI covers agriculture goods, natural products, manufactured products, handcraft, or even food products. It is essential to register GI. Certificate of registration is the evidence of a valid GI. Who can apply for GI registration? Any association of person or producers or any organization or authority can apply in writing for registration and pay prescribed fees. Where to file application for GI? Registrar of GI, Controller General of Patent, Design and Trademark. What should an application contain? First, statement on how the characteristics of GI is influenced by its location. Second, class of good. Third, the geographic map of the place of origin. Fourth, particulars regarding its appearance. Fifth, statement on particulars of the producers. Sixth, such other particulars as may be prescribed. Duration of registration of geographical origin is usually 10 years, but it can be renewed for indefinite period of time. Infringement of GI could occur in the following cases. First, presentation of goods misleading geographic origin. Second, misleading use of GI in the course of trade. Third, falsification of GI. Freedom to assign GI. GI cannot be transferred, assigned, licensed, pledged, or mortgaged. Punishment for falsifying GI include imprisonment from 6 months to 3 years or fine from 50,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees. How to oppose registration of GI? After accepting the registration by the registrar, It will be advertised and anyone can file petition within 3 months after paying requisite fees. Certain GIs which cannot be registered. First, if the product is contrary to law, that is, if the product is deceiving. Second, if the product is against morality or contain obscene matter. Third, if the product deprive rights in any manner. Fourth, place of origin falsely represented. Fifth, disused in the country of origin. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.